Today I stand before you to share my accomplishments as the 11th President of the United States of America. Firstly, I take great pride in fulfilling my campaign promises and expanding our nation's territory. Through the successful negotiation of the Oregon Treaty and the Mexican-American War, we acquired vast lands, including California, New Mexico, and parts of the American Southwest, solidifying our nation's territorial integrity. Secondly, I implemented a robust economic agenda. The Walker Tariff and the establishment of an independent treasury system laid the foundation for our nation's economic growth and stability, ensuring a prosperous future for generations to come. Thirdly, I prioritized the completion of key infrastructure projects. The construction of the Transcontinental Railroad and the expansion of the nation's road network promoted regional connectivity, facilitated trade, and strengthened the unity of our vast nation. Fourthly, I facilitated the establishment of the Department of the Interior, recognizing the importance of protecting and managing our nation's natural resources and cultural heritage. This initiative laid the groundwork for the conservation and preservation efforts that continue to this day. Lastly, I successfully managed and resolved the complicated issue of the territorial expansion of slavery through the Compromise of 1850. This delicate agreement aimed to maintain the fragile balance between free and slave states, seeking to preserve the Union and avoid further conflict. As I reflect upon my presidency, I am grateful for the unwavering support of the American people. Together, we expanded our borders, pursued economic prosperity, built vital infrastructure, and navigated challenging issues with diplomacy and compromise. Let us remember the achievements of those who came before us and worked tirelessly to build upon their successes. May we continue to advance the ideals of progress, unity, and justice, forging a brighter future for all Americans.